What's up guys, how to translate any PDF document, Word document, text from one language to another language. So head over to WhatsApp, What's Made API Technical Guide, or .github.io, and then copy this import, open your command line prompt, paste it in there. Alright, so yeah, we've got all the documentation, import Java to buffer reader. These are just all the import libraries. Okay, so now what we're going to do is enter Java translator.java, Java translator.java, and then right after that Java translator. Alright, as you can see, so what we're going to do is we're going to translate this from Spanish to Japanese. So quickly go back to your file. As you can see, there's a string to language, string from language. So that's the language code over there. So if you know the language code, just change the language code to the language code needed. This is the string text that's going to be translated right here below. So you can go ahead and do that. If you don't know the language code, there's another way to get the language code. You can just head over back to What's Made API Technical Guide, and then you'll see complete listing on the page here below. Just click on that, open in a new tab, go to the search bar, just search it up, the language that you need. Okay, so I'm searching for Japanese. Okay, there's the Japanese code, the language code. Go ahead and change the language code, and then if you'd like, you can also change the string text. You can set it to any string text, obviously, that you'd like to change. You can go ahead and do that. I'm just going to change this to, I'm going to take this out. This is a lot of fun. I think that's fine. Okay, head back to your terminal, enter Jarvik translator Java, and then obviously Java translator, and then as you can see, it's translated from Spanish to Japanese. Alright guys, I hope you found this video insightful. I hope you found it intriguing, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.